Hello, this is Heisenberg with the newly revealed Diamond Select Toys Marvel Gallery statues. So here we have X-23 and Black Widow. As I said, these were just revealed at New York Comic Con 2017, and here we're seeing them on display at the Diamond Select Toys booth. Marvel Gallery is their series of PVC statues. They stand about 9 to 10 inches tall and sell for about $45. Though you can sometimes find some of them for less on Amazon. These are very nice and affordable statues. I especially like this X-23 statue. I like the Wolverine style costume, and that she's standing tall but also showing off her curves. So these two statues are not for sale yet. We'll have to wait and see when they end up going on sale. Again, these were just revealed, just shown for the first time at New York Comic Con. And Diamond Select Toys revealed other items at New York Comic Con. Should watch for my other videos. So I've already published some videos from New York Comic Con. I've got more on the way, so watch for that. For example, they had their Pacific Rim Uprising action figures on display, and I've got a video, a nice high definition and detailed video of those. All right, here's Black Widow. So my camera didn't pick up all the detail on her quite as well because of the high contrast between her sort of pale face and dark costume. But in a moment you'll see a photo that shows it better. So yeah, she's got a very nice pose, a very classic Black Widow pose here, and also very well done. I like the flowing hair. And then yeah, here we're about to see a photo. So this is Heisenberg, hoping you enjoy your Marvel Gallery statues.